Hello, friends! Do you love music? Of course you do. Have you ever noticed how a fun song makes you want to dance and wiggle? Or how a soft, quiet song can make you feel sleepy? Well, music is like magic, and today we're going to find out all about its amazing power.
First, let's play a little game to warm up our brains. Are you ready? Okay. Our first question is about a very famous musician named Ravi Shankar. Do you know what kind of music he was famous for? Was it jazz, classical, or pop?
If you guessed classical, you're right. Yay! Ravi Shankar was amazing at playing Indian classical music on a super cool instrument called the sitar.
Okay, ready for the next one? This is for all our little rock stars out there. How many strings does a guitar usually have? Is it 6, 7, or 8? You got it. It's 6. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strings. Great job! And here's our last question for our little game. When you see 3 friends making music together, what do you call them? A trio, a duet, or a quartet?
It's a trio! Wow, you did so good. That was fun, right? Now that our brains are all warmed up, we're going to learn even more about music.
Here's what we're going to do. We just finished our fun quiz. Next, we'll find out why your favorite song makes you feel so good. Then, we'll listen to a story about a singing girl, learn some new words, and talk about the music that stays inside our hearts.
So, why does a happy song make you want to jump up and down? And why does a quiet lullaby help you go to sleep? Well, something very, very cool is happening inside your body when you hear music. Sometimes, when you're having a busy day, music can help you feel calm and happy. A soft, pretty song is like a big, warm hug for your mind and body. Listening to music can also make little happy feelings, called endorphins, pop up inside your brain. It's true, and those happy feelings can make you feel all fresh and full of energy again. You know, music isn't just for us. It's like a happy treat for everyone and everything. For plants, for little birds, for animals, and for people too. It helps everyone feel good and grow strong. Now, let's hear a beautiful story about a song. This is a story from a poem written a long, long time ago by a man who heard a song he would never, ever forget.
Imagine you're walking in some big, green, grassy hills. Suddenly, you see a girl all by herself. She's working in a field, and while she works, she is singing a beautiful, beautiful song.
The man who saw her was so amazed, he wrote this. He's telling us, look at her, all alone in the field. She's singing a song just for herself. Let's stop and listen, or if we walk past, let's be super, super quiet so we don't bother her.
He says her song sounded a little bit sad, but it was so, so pretty. Her voice was so big and powerful that it filled up the whole entire valley. It was like the whole world was full of her music.
Wow, what a lovely story. Her song was so special. You know, sometimes it's hard to find the right words to talk about music. So let's learn a few new fun words together. Our first word is virtuoso. Can you say that? Virtuoso. That's a big word for someone who is super duper extra good at music. They're like a music superstar. Our next word is prodigy. A prodigy is a young person, maybe even a kid like you, who is already amazing at something, like playing the piano or singing beautifully. Isn't that cool?
And here's a word we heard before, rejuvenate. It just means to make you feel all fresh and new and full of bouncy energy again, just like music does when you're feeling a little tired. And here are a few last ones. Endorphins are those happy little things that pop up in your brain. Vitality is when you feel full of energy and you want to run and play. Exhaustion is that feeling when you're so sleepy. And persistent is when a song gets stuck in your head and you just hum it all day long.
We've learned so much. We learned why music makes us feel good, and we heard a story about a special song. But what happens after the music is over? Let's go back to our story one last time to find out.
This is how the story ends, and it's the best part. The man says that even after he walked away and couldn't hear the girl's song anymore, he could still feel it inside him. He carried her music in his heart. And that's what happens with the most special songs, right? They become a part of you.
And that makes me wonder, what about you? What special song do you carry around inside your heart long after the music stops playing? Think about it. Thank you for listening, friends.